Could you take a moment to imagine a bull elk stepping into view just as a storm front rolls in? The wind howls, your fingers are half frozen, and a single shot is all you got. Do you take your chances, trusting the round that you've chambered to punch through hide, bone, and distance without hesitation? Or do you hesitate, wondering if your choice of caliber is really up to the task? In this video, we'll talk about the rifle calibers that Steven Rinella trusts when conditions are brutal and a clean kill is non-negotiable. These rounds have been proven in places where second chances rarely appear. We'll also explore the broadhead and arrow shafts that he relies on for archery hunts that demand ethical performance. Let's walk through each option so that we can stay prepared for any big game challenge. Number 10. 243 Winchester. Some hunters adore the 243 Winchester for its gentle recoil and admirable accuracy on animals like coyote, white-tailed deer, or mountain lions. Its flat trajectory reduces the chance of missing high or low if the range is misjudged in rolling terrain. Rinella once highlighted an example of a young hunter who took 9 shots to bring down a bull elk with 243, illustrating perfectly how the cartridge can be stretched well beyond its comfortable limits. That anecdote serves as a reminder to match caliber to intended species and shot angles. The 243 Winchester is usually sold in boxes priced around $30 to $50, depending on bullet weight and brand quality. Some folks use heavier bonded bullets to maximize penetration on medium game. The cartridge remains an effective choice if your primary targets are smaller-bodied animals or if recoil sensitivity is a major factor for you, your kids, or anyone who prefers a milder shooting experience. It's not the best option for giant bulls, but it'll shine when proper placement and moderate game size align with its performance window. Number 9. 6.5 Creedmoor. Many see the 6.5 Creedmoor as a modern solution for hunters wanting precision without punishing recoil. Rinella collaborated with a rifle manufacturer that offered this caliber in a Meat Eater branded edition, implying that he's confident that it can handle deer and antelope out to longer distances. The round's real advantage lies in its high ballistic coefficient and moderate muzzle velocity, which reduce wind drift in open country. That's why it's so popular for sheep hunts, where shots might exceed 300 yards. Factory ammo prices average around $30 to $60 a box, depending on whether you're buying standard soft points or premium bonded loads. This isn't Rinella's top pick for extremely tough game like moose, but it's more than enough for medium-sized species and for the person who wants to stay proficient by sending plenty of rounds downrange. The recoil remains gentle enough for repeated practice sessions, which helps a dedicated hunter ensure every shot lands exactly where it's meant to go. Number 8. 270 Winchester. Rinella has used the 270 Winchester on wild pigs, and it has been a classic deer and antelope cartridge for generations. Many loyal fans praise its flat trajectory and the way it balances kinetic energy with moderate recoil. Premium ammo loads can range between $35 and $60 per box, offering bullet weights from 130 to 150 grains. This range of projectile weights makes the 270 adaptable to everything from feral hogs and thick cover to open country mule deer. It handles most mid-sized animals well, though some hunters opt for heavier magnums if they're consistently encountering massive-bodied bulls or bears. Proper shot placement with a 270 will still cleanly take down more than people suspect, but in the face of truly big bones and dense muscle, Rinella and others usually step up to something heavier. For those focusing on whitetail, blacktail, or wild pigs, the 270 Winchester continues to earn appreciation in the field. Hey, if you've made it this far, you clearly got a sharp eye for caliber choices. So why not take the next logical shot and subscribe? Think of it as dialing in your rifle for the near-perfect zero. Precise, dependable, and always locked on to great content. No fluff, no misfire, just straight shooting insights. Go on, tap the button. You know you want to. Number 7. 257 Weatherby Magnum. Rinella reached for the 257 Weatherby Magnum when chasing pronghorn and mountain goats across open, rugged landscapes. It projects bullets at high speeds that can exceed 3,400 feet per second with lighter projectiles that weigh around 100 grains. That velocity can flatten your trajectory to an impressive degree, reducing guesswork if you're faced with a cross-canyon shot. Ammunition can get pricey. It's $50 to $70 per box in many cases, due to Weatherby's specialized brass and the premium bullet designs that are loaded for maximum effect. This cartridge is ideal for species that weigh under 300 pounds, especially if you're shooting out beyond 300 yards in windy conditions. Rinella notes that it can feel underpowered when the target is larger, or if you require a bullet to break hefty bone. It's designed for speed and flatter arcs, so if all your hunts revolve around antelope, sheep, or goats, it's a contender that leaves little room for ballistic error. Bigger-bodied animals, though, may call for something with greater bullet mass. Number 6. 270 Winchester Short Magnum. Rinella used a custom rifle chambered in 270 WSM for hunts demanding accuracy under tough conditions. The round pushes 130 grain loads at approximately 3,300 feet per second, giving you more downrange punch than the standard 270. Prices per box usually hover between $50 and $70, though the market can fluctuate. The advantage here is that it retains impressive energy levels while still managing recoil more gently than some of the larger magnums. That's a worthwhile edge if you're lugging gear across steep ridges for days on end. The 270 WSM excels when you need to handle deer, sheep, or goats that might appear at extended ranges, but a bull elk might require heavier bullets if the shot angle is difficult. By the way, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this approach. Do you prefer a flatter shooting midweight round, or are you someone who wants a single caliber that can knock down everything from hogs to heavy bulls? Feel free to comment down below and share your perspective. Number 5. 30-06 Springfield. Rinella's circle, including Giannis Patelis, praises the 30-06 for its track record against deer, elk, and black bears. It's the original do-it-all rifle caliber for many North American hunters. Ammo choices are available in every corner of the country, and you can secure a decent box for around $25 to $50, depending on brand and bullet design. Some hunters trust 150 grain bullets for deer, and then move up to 180 to 200 grain for elk or moose. Rinella has credited this cartridge in particular with quick kills on numerous animals when the shot is placed correctly. A typical 30-06 might drop a bull elk in open country, or punch through thick brush to reach the vitals of a wary black bear. Yeah, sure, it's an older round, but the performance remains undeniable. When reliability and availability matter more than modern ballistic wizardry, the 30-06 keeps delivering the results that many of us need to fill the freezer. Number 4. 7mm Remington Magnum. Rinella relied on a 7mm Rem Mag for moose and elk hunts before his partnership with other rifle brands. This cartridge hurls between 140 and 175 grains with serious velocity, allowing it to retain knockdown power even across canyons. Boxes generally cost around $35 to $60. Many appreciate the 7mm's relatively high sectional density, which aids in penetrating big animals or breaking through bone. It hits harder than standard 270 or 30-06 loads at extended distances, while still maintaining recoil levels that most folks can handle without too much pain. Some say it's the ideal compromise between flat shooting and heavy hitting, which is why Rinella used it for hunts targeting North America's heftier creatures. A moose or a bull elk can demand that extra energy, and the 7mm Rem Mag answers the call in a wide array of field conditions, from thick forest edges to wide open basins. Number 3. 300 Winchester Short Magnum. Rinella once used a rifle in 300 WSM to halt a charging moose, which demonstrates his high trust in this round. It duplicates much of the ballistic performance of a 300 Win Mag, but in a more compact package. Factory ammunition can be a bit steeper in price, around $50 to $80 per box, but that short case design appeals to some hunters who prefer a shorter action for slightly less rifle weight. It still offers some serious muzzle energy and can launch 180 to 200 grain bullets that deliver deep penetration. Recoil can be a bit sharp though, and reloading data must be approached carefully to avoid high pressures. The 300 WSM is a strong candidate for someone who wants Magnum-level power in a format that's easier to tote through dense forests or up steep ridges. Large-bodied elk, black bears, or even moose can be handled efficiently, provided that you do your part behind the trigger. Number 2. 300 Winchester Magnum. Rinella frequently points to the 300 Win Mag as the one caliber he could rely on for nearly every North American hunt. He used this cartridge on muskoxen, moose, elk, deer, and even smaller species like antelope, describing just how versatile it can be. Ammunition runs between $35 to $70 a box, with numerous bullet weights available. Many hunters gravitate towards 180 grain loads for the perfect middle ground of speed and energy. The recoil can feel stout to those who haven't shot magnums before, yet practice and good form help manage that force. Some of his hunts took place in brutal conditions: rainstorms, freezing winds, mucky terrain, and the 300 Win Mag just kept delivering one-shot kills. It's become a staple for hunters who want big energy and enough bullet mass to break through bone and muscle at significant distances. Whether you're zeroed at 200 or 300 yards, it's manageable to dial in for shots that stretch beyond what smaller cartridges comfortably handle. This round sits near the top just because of how many hunts it has ended swiftly and ethically for Rinella. Number 1. 375 H&H Magnum. Rinella used the 375 H&H to drop a massive muskox, so this is his heavy hammer for the most demanding hunts. The recoil is substantial, but so is the stopping power. When an animal weighs over 1,000 pounds, or you expect thick bone structures, this round ensures that the bullet still carries enough energy to anchor that beast. A box of factory loads might cost anywhere from $60 to $100, though availability varies based on your local shops. Bullets in the 270 to 300 grain range can maintain velocity well enough to reach vitals even at extended distances. Some folks reserve the 375 H&H for the truly big animals or potentially dangerous situations, which also lines up with Rinella's use case. It's not the sort of cartridge you'd bring for a casual whitetail hunt, but if you're pushing north in search of moose, muskoxen, or big coastal bears, it's the solution that takes the guesswork out of whether the bullet will penetrate thick muscle and bone. It deserves the top slot because it addresses the extreme end of North American hunting. But while rifles and Magnum cartridges do most of the heavy lifting in Rinella's hunts, there's one more piece of gear worth calling out: a bow setup built for the same harsh conditions, using projectiles that are every bit as lethal and reliable. So as a bonus for those of you who live for the draw, not the trigger, let's talk about the broadhead and arrow combo Rinella prefers: Iron Will S Series broadhead and Easton Full Metal Jacket arrow. Recommended by Jason Phelps, the Iron Will S Series has a fixed blade design made of A2 tool steel. Prices are around $119.95 for a 3-pack, which sure might appear steep, but that's until you see how they behave on bull elk or wild boar. Rinella once used a frontal shot on a bull elk, and that animal took only a few steps before going down. Later, he put one through a wild boar's skull and recovered the head looking almost brand new. That's the kind of reliability you need if you're dealing with thick bone, quartering angles, or pressure-packed moments in the field. Also, Easton Full Metal Jacket arrows pair well with these heads. The aluminum jacket over carbon adds weight and structural integrity, helping them keep momentum through dense hide and sinew. These arrows usually retail for around $15 to $20 per shaft, depending on length and spine. The heavier builds support deeper penetration, a feature Rinella values on hunts in brushy terrain or when a tough hide must be pierced. This combination is geared more towards those who'd rather spend more money on a reliable kit than risk losing a wounded animal. It follows the same logic that runs through all his rifle caliber choices: proven effectiveness in harsh conditions. Alright, that's it for this one. Every round we talked about has its place, depending on what you're chasing and how you like to hunt. Personally, for me, I usually lean on my Savage Axis XP and 30-06 when elk season hits. It's never let me down. But hey, what about you? What caliber's your go-to? Or if you're more into bows, what setup are you running? Seriously, drop it down in the comments. Let's get this conversation going. And of course, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and as always, this is Threat to Survival. Prepare today. Thrive tomorrow. Embrace the threat to survival.